everybody, I'm Allie with PotomacBeads.
And I'm Kira.
And we are going to go over for this Better Beader episode, Instagram, and how to use Instagram to your benefit to hopefully sell some of your designs that you've created with our lovely beads that you may have purchased.
Yeah.
So I'm going to have you share with us and kind of look at our page here of our Instagram, use that as examples, and then share with everybody kind of what you do, how you go into those steps, and how they can hopefully increase their sales and get more jewelry sales. All right, so we're going to use Kira's phone as an example here because we were just discussing about how Instagram is much more mobile friendly.
Yeah, you can't really, the website is not
great.
Not great.
Yeah. So it's designed to be used on a mobile platform. So she's going to show you using her phone kind of what she has done to our Instagram account and how the changes have gone forward. So what are we looking at, Kira?
Yeah, so right now this is like one of the most recent posts, and if we go and click on our profile, we now see that here in the middle there's a little shopping bag.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Can I press the shopping bag?
Yeah, you can.
All right, ready? I'm going to press that shopping bag. What am I shopping for?
So in that shopping bag, you're going to find a whole bunch of products that are from our website. And then if you click on the product, you'll see that it says View on Website. So if you take that, you can go to the website and you'll be able to easily add it to your cart.
Nice. So this is for if you're looking at, and kind of going back here, if you want to go back and you're looking for specific designs that we've done or kits or pendants or anything, those are there and you can shop with that. So you can look kind of on the feed and then bring up the feed and see any different kind of materials that you have or materials that you use. So in addition to that, what else were you showing me?
So in addition to that, a question we get frequently is, what materials are in that design, what many don't realize is that there is now a button that if you click on it will bring up all the material. Not all of them have it yet, but
you know, it's thousands and thousands and thousands of posts. Slowly but surely we're getting them all. And so you can see this Instagram feed, and I'm not good with Instagram, so that's why Kira is my guest star. It's nice to bring people that are a little bit more familiar with things and have worked with things more regularly.
So we use this one, because this one actually had a comment that said, what products are in that video? So right here there's a View Products button. It's that shopping bag again.
Nice.
And it's going to bring up all the materials that are in that project.
Perfect. And then I can probably flag these, come back and look at them later. I can save them to my wish list, and I can open them up as I click on, and then I can view on the website as I'm doing that, or even go to the website. So that allows you to go into your Instagram post and actually kind of create a marketplace within Instagram.
Yep.
So this can be used also for people or individuals, say that they want to do a post, and you have found that moving posts work better?
Yeah.
For sure. They have more traction?
Yep.
And when people are looking and they're saying, all right, how does this work for me? So if I'm going into this post here, they could have that little shopping bag and they say, oh, you want to purchase this bracelet?
Yeah.
You can do that here. When they set that up and do it on their own Insta account, if they want to do this, show me a little bit about how you go about on Instagram actually creating and doing these links.
So, like adding the products to them?
Yeah, so how would you add products? So people say, I want this to link, and I want it to link back to, say, my Etsy store.
Yep.
And I want to add this in. What are going to be kind of simple steps that you can give to people to go into their Insta account and say, oh, I really have a lot of traction on Instagram, people love to see it, and how am I going to go in and actually create kind of a purchase that people can actually click on and purchase?
Yeah. So this is also another feature we just added, but there's this little link in bio at the top of our profile.
Mm-hmm.
And a problem with Instagram is that the links you can't click on them.
They don't take you anywhere.
It doesn't take you anywhere. And many people are, hey, can you send me the link? It's not working for me. So now if you go click on this link in bio, there's that gleam bangle we just saw. When we clicked on it, it didn't take us anywhere, but if we click on it in here, it'll take us to the Gleam Bangle landing page.
Perfect. So people can set up there and they can just Google how to do that page bio.
Yep.
They can follow the instructions how to do that page bio, and they can link to their own jewelry websites or their Etsy accounts probably in that Instagram.
Yep.
So that way they can force that.
And then the other, so let me go. me. So
Let's carry on her fiance. So cute.
we'll go here and so we'll tap on the gleam bangle. So up here there's these 3 little like ellipses. You'll click on that and you'll click edit. And then there will be, so sometimes it does this little weird thing.
So you'll be able to edit it and add in the different links to it.
Add in the products.
Yeah. And Instagram versus some of the other marketplaces, it really is different for each place when you're deciding, I want to sell my jewelry, whether or not you're doing the new Facebook marketplace sort of links, if you're doing the Instagram links. And the cool thing about this is we are going to go in actually, and over the course of the next couple Better Beader episodes, we are going to go in and get some advice on how to sell jewelry or how to go in and use these different platforms. Because as we all know, COVID has kind of forced us to change
and rely on these platforms.
Correct. So we're relying on these platforms now to sell our jewelry, to sell our materials, and we'll be having a couple different Better Beader episodes. Again, they're always made to make you a better beater. And if you are somebody that uses Instagram a ton, make sure to give some feedback below. You can comment and let us know how you're using the Instagram to sell your jewelry, whether or not it's successful. Help out the beading community and let them know what tips or tricks or techniques you're using to kind of create and flow with this platform.
Yeah, and honestly, let us know what else you want to see on our Instagram.
Yeah.
Because we're working to make it more user-friendly for everybody. So if there's something that you see that would make it easier to use Potomac Beads, just let us know.
Let us know. Pin those things and then let us know. Kind of give those little thumbs up. So you can comment too, because we're keeping track of those as well. And once again, these Better Beater episodes really are to make you a better beater and more informed, whether or not you're looking at our page on Instagram or whether or not you're creating your own page and looking at that as a new way to kind of get out there and market. There's a lot of craft shows not happening.
Yep.
There's a lot of retail stores closed.
Yep.
So people need an outlet to sell their things. So our goal is to give you some pointers and techniques over the next couple Better Beaters, like Kira did here for Instagram. Just those quick little, here's the platform, here's simple techniques and things that you can do to increase your business and people that are coming to you to buy your products. As always, guys, thanks so much. And thank you, Kira, for joining in and being a little guest star. We'll see you again.
Probably.
come on in again. But yeah, if you guys want to, again, get any more information, check out the links below in the description. We'll put some links to our Insta account as well as some links to some products if you want to check those out. The Gleam we saw, and we saw one of the Hubble Stitch bangles as well too. So check those out in the descriptions. Thanks guys so much for watching. And remember, if you don't already subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit that little button and subscribe so you don't miss anything here from PotomacBeads, myself and Kira included. Thanks so much again, guys, and have a wonderful rest of your day.